Hello guys, welcome back to my life. Today I'm gonna try something new, something fascinating. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make scrambled eggs in a jar, but in a microwave. So I'm gonna try this shit right now.
Okay, hi YouTube, doing a vlog, and I'm outside my house, and I just had Popeye's chicken, and I did some stuff today, like, I don't know, I didn't do anything today, and that's my life, and, so I'm outside and I'm walking, and there's a whole bunch of stuff out here, branches and stuff, I don't know, anyway, yeah, what did I do today? I played tablet games, and I made some other videos and stuff. And doing some YouTube. Oh, it's bright out here. Okay, it's so bright, I'm melting, so I gotta go inside. Alright, peace out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
So first, let me take a selfie. Sorry. Okay, so first, you will need. Let me show you all the ingredients. Need eggs, salt, and milk. Anyway. So let me try to do this. Hope this works. What the fuck? Yeah. With one hand, man. What the fuck is that? Okay. Uh-oh, this is a bad idea. Oh yeah, I fell down. Okay, I can take it off. Freaking shit over there. Because I was like trying to do it, but looking in the camera at the same time, so there's a bad idea. So to fix that, I know if somebody happened this, just need a fork. So I'm gonna fix this right now. Okay. Okie dokie. POV video. Okay. Just stay away from it. Okay. So, I'm gonna put some salt over there. This is enough. Probably just a little bit more. And then a little bit of water. A water of milk. Yeah, that's enough. And it's gonna mix this shit over here. Try to do it with one hand. Shit's like impossible. I'm trying to do it on this table. Okay. No, I can't do it with one hand. So just wait for me in 1 second. So you need to mix it all over until they have like this a little bit yellow white color. In the camera looks like a little bit green, I don't know why. This is more yellow in real life. In real life, this is for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the fork out. Perfect. You go over. I'm gonna grab this. Whee! Holy cow. Goodbye. And then you're gonna put 2 minutes. I hope it's 2 minutes. If it's not, I will put more time. And now you can actually see, well, you can see how it's spinning because I put it in the right place. So yeah, it's gonna wait right now. For you, it's gonna be 1 second until everything is done. For me, it's gonna be 1 minute and 40 seconds. So yeah, almost. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you can actually see the egg right now. Oh no, you can see it in the camera. But over here, oh, you can actually see it. I hope that. Oh yeah, you can see the little yellow stuff over there. I hope that doesn't explode and get all over the microwave. I hope that please don't. Okay, this is almost done. Why is it okie dokie? What the fuck? Why? Why? Okay, let's go do this. Perfection. Okay. Whoa, smells amazing. Look at this shit. So, oh, it's not done yet. It's a little bit more. There's a good son of a bitch. Why not? Okay, gonna eat the top of this shit. Yeah, this is completely. It's freaking amazing. It's so hot. Oh shit. Okay. So it's a little fail because you can actually see it's not done yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna destroy everything like this and then put like 1 more minute, and yeah, 1 minute. Shit actually works. I never understand why all this shit is hot and over here is not hot. Why? Okay, never mind. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 more minute, and now, whoa, it's over. It's a bad idea. Grab a new one. I'm stupid. Okay, let's go try this. Sorry. Oh yeah, now it's complete. So, let's go try this shit right now. Once again, you can see me eating. It's a good life hack. Holy moly, good God, so delicious. So if you don't have a skillet or a kitchen, you can actually just do this. 1 egg or 2 eggs in my case because I have little small eggs. Some milk, salt, microwave, you're ready to go. 3 minutes. Yeah, delicious. So yeah. Guys, that's a cool little hack, right? We're now gonna see some the Shader vlog. I love the Shader vlog. And CTFXC, PvP, or girlfriend versus boyfriend. Roman, Agut vlogs. I'm a Roman soldier. Gator vlogs. Alex Mandel vlogs. Oh my god, I have a lot. I don't want to miss anybody. Tyler Tribble. Tyler, I can't say it. If I can see it, I can say it right. Okay. Tribe Tyler. Tribal Tyler. Tribe Tyler. Okay. I like him. Thanks to Shay, I actually can know who is him. So a big shout out to Crazy Russian Hacker for make that video of the Scrabble X. It's like a lot of time since he do that, like 1 week, 2 week. But yeah, I'm actually trying. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, be happy, be sad, just be who you are. Try this, because it can save your life. It can actually save your life. If you put some cheese in there and all, it can be amazing. Amazing, I tell you. And finally, thanks God, my hair is not crazy anymore. It's not crazy, but I will lose all my hair when I'm old. Yeah. my head is gonna be a big no hair ball. Lampiño. Okay, see you tomorrow. Be happy with this video. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel, to one channel, and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye. Just gonna cut this right now.